Hey, Crispy and AZ, and I've just finished building this Raycall London travel. And you can see one of the problems I have. There are two problems I see with it really. It's not lifting high enough to get onto that ramp. No, just not doing it. Okay, so I'm still trying to figure out why this stuff isn't working right. In this position, with this lever at the bottom, it is very, very tight. You see how that rod is pushing down hard on the bottom. There is no slack in this. There's just nothing, no slack. It's all gone. Turn it around. Yeah, that's not an optical illusion. That is bent down because it's trying to push the bus board up at that end. I'm trying to push it down at this end so that the witch's broom thing, but there's no slack left in it. It's dead tight all the way through. All the other positions, it's got clearance, it's got slot. And when it's running, you can hear the motor slowing down. Here it's slowing down. Yeah, that's the tight spot. That's not good. Why is it doing that? So, without the bus board in here, I can see that this elevator is raising up to the right level. So I don't need to add any of those pieces in there. I need to solve the reason why this is causing the whole system to tighten up and it won't push down far enough. Now I don't know how I'm going to solve that. I'll have to think about it.